Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Subaru Impreza AC. First, gather your essential tools, including an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Confirm your vehicle uses R134A refrigerant, which is standard for most modern cars. Next, you'll need to locate the low-pressure service port, typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This port is usually marked with an L and is smaller than the high-pressure port. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves to prevent skin or eye irritation from refrigerant. With safety gear on, start your Subaru Impreza's engine and set the air conditioning to its coldest temperature and highest fan speed. This ensures the compressor is running. Visually inspect the AC compressor clutch to confirm it's spinning, indicating the system is ready to accept refrigerant. Now, connect the quick disconnect fitting of your AC recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. It should click firmly into place. With the engine running and AC on high, slowly squeeze the trigger on the refrigerant can, adding the refrigerant in short bursts. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on the hose, aiming for the recommended pressure range, usually indicated in green. Remember to shake the can every 15 to 20 seconds for optimal flow. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct fill level, carefully disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port. Test your AC by feeling the air coming from the vents. It should now be noticeably colder. If the air isn't cold, or if the compressor isn't engaging, you might have a leak or a more serious issue requiring professional attention. For other great deals and to find the link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Remember, regular maintenance helps keep your AC running efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.